Well, hello there. This is your astrological forecast for Tuesday, October the 12th. My name is Kat. You are watching the Soul Sister channel. We are going to get started by becoming balanced, aligned, and connected with our higher self by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we're releasing all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. Third breath. On this third deep cleansing breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the darkness and negativity. It's all flowing away, flowing out of our bodies and flowing away. And in its place, we can see this beautiful white light filling our entire bodies. This white light is made up of white light, love, and the will to good. And then it goes out and forms a protective bubble of white light, love, and the will to good around us. And this bubble is deflecting all evil, all low vibration, all negativity back to its source. While we are in this space of white light connected with our higher self, we are going to say our Sun in Libra affirmation. I set my sight on the northern light of my higher self. I do not allow any outer world distractions to pull me from my path. We are going to say the affirmation together, and then we'll stay in this space of white light connected with our higher self for 5 seconds. Let's say the affirmation. I set my sight on the northern light of my higher self. I do not allow any outer world distractions to pull me from my path. Good work. Good work. Now, this Sun in Libra affirmation is about us staying true to ourselves and our purpose. And this week, as Saturn goes direct, we are going to be challenged to be true to ourselves and our purpose. But this is important. These challenges that we are facing this week are important for the long-term stability and structure of whatever it is that we are changing in our lives. So today, with the moon is still in Capricorn, today, we were feeling so full of ourselves on Monday. We were seeing where we wanted to go or what we wanted to do so clearly. And we were so optimistic, and we couldn't wait to get out there and get going on it. And, yesterday and today, it's just like, it's like these little irritants that keep us from actually making any good progress. But these irritants are important, like I said, because they're helping us as we get the fine details of our plan together, the long-term details of our plan, and the effects of this plan long-term. So we need to continue to work on that today. Now, we're kind of sharing our ideas. It might be with our significant other. It might be with some coworkers. And, we're saying, well, this is such a great idea. I think we should do this. And they're like, oh, no. Oh, I don't know. And we're like, wait a minute. I have done all this research and put all this time into deciding and coming up with options for what fundraiser our company should support. And I don't like you just coming up, just throwing stuff at me of different ideas when I did all this work. And you need to respect what I did. And I took this time. You see where I'm going? So our insistence, we're getting a little rebellious. We're getting a little frustrated. And so we project that. And what happens is we end up with offending others or hurting their feelings or shutting them down so that they won't entertain our idea later on when the energy best supports it. So today we are going to continue to work on whatever it is that we are moving forward with. We are going to set our long-term goals. We are going to make our positive and negative columns. We are going to continue to make a good, strong, healthy plan for ourselves. We're not going to get anywhere anyway. We're not going to get anywhere today anyway. So let's not force the issue today. We know what we've got is great, but Rome wasn't built in a day. It is Saturn, and Saturn doesn't do anything quickly and spontaneously. Saturn wants all the ducks in a row. So that is what we are going to continue to do today, even though somebody or some buddies might irritate us and annoy us. We're going to back off of that, and we're not going to participate in that bullshit. We're just going to hold our idea, continue to refine it, because tomorrow, babies, is a whole nother day. Oh yeah. On Wednesday, it's like the parting of the Red Sea, I think I said on Sunday. And all of a sudden, we have support from places we didn't know even existed before. But that's for tomorrow. Today, we're going to continue to refine. We're going to continue to see, to strategize and plan how we can be more mature in our lives in caring for ourselves, the other, and contributing to society. So we are refining today on this Tuesday. Man, we are moving right along, aren't we? I forgot to say happy Thanksgiving to our Canadian friends yesterday. I think I said it in the weekly, but I forgot to say yesterday. So happy belated Thanksgiving to our Canadian friends. And as we work with this Saturn direct energy, if we are being conscious and purposeful with it, we are going to experience some big changes. Maybe not this week, but coming up very soon, especially since we have decided to make a difference in our own lives, become more responsible and mature. Thinker. Work on that plan. Work on the details. New life. Keep working. New life for us is right around the corner. And mending. Okay. So today, if we ruffle any feathers, make sure that we apologize for inappropriate behavior. If we have ruffled anyone's feathers in any relationship, whether that be our significant other, friends, family, coworkers, boss, it's really important that we take responsibility for our behavior and ask for forgiveness today. So make it a great Tuesday. Don't push our agenda, but keep working on it, because tomorrow we are probably going to see some really good progress. Come see me tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for your astrological forecast for Wednesday. And don't forget the keynote for the Soul Sister channel, Life is Lived from the Inside Out. Happy Tuesday. Namaste.